Okay, I already defeated this once, just a little bit ago. But I'll play it again because I should have recorded it in the first place, but I didn't think the team was going to work. Um, I've got, let's see. I'm using Jango, Han, Chewy, Cara Dune, and Kuiil. I've only got a G12 Jango right now, but the rest of them are definitely relict. And let's go through the mods a little bit with nothing fancy on him. I'll just kind of go through what I have. Probably need to redo his mods. I haven't done them for so long. And Han, nothing special. I haven't remodded him for forever. A little bit better on Chewy there. Cara Dune, I just remodded for a loadout. I just put health and more health and defense on her. Put some of my faster mods on her. I wanted to make sure that she went third. Han first, then Kuiil, then Cara. So she's at 309. Kuiil is the one that needs to be the, well, in terms of the fastest. Although Han will always shoot first, but he needs to go next. Ideal speed would be about 350. You can go a little bit less than that. But, you know, it's just a matter of testing it out and seeing what works. But I've got him at 359 at the moment. All right, let's give it a shot and see if I can do this again. Okay, Han, shoot Piett first. Next, him with Kuil's middle. Go for Veers, but you want to hit Cara. Cara will take away a lot of their turn meter here, which is extremely key. And then you want to put Burn, because that stops the additional turn meter. And then I just kind of went after Veers here. Oh, wait, didn't go down that fast. Cara again, take away. And just start mowing them down. Take Piett and then Gideon down, or either one, either Gideon or Piett. So long as they're stunned, just keep them stunned if you can. As you see, just no turns. And it's a lot of fun. Oh yeah. And there we go. Second win in a row. Pretty easy peasy. The only 2 mods that I did was Cara and Kuiil. Just make sure that Kuiil goes... Yeah, has the fastest mods. Han will go first, then Kuiil, then Cara, and you've pretty much got it in the bag with whoever you put on the team. So, thank you. And good luck.